Good morning, friends. Today topic is advance payment. So when you are creating purchase order, vendor requesting to you pay some amount has a advance payment or some percentage of PO value need to pay to vendor as a advance payment. This process is called down payment. You can pay this amount with amount has a fixed amount or percentage of total value, percentage of total PO value. So in SAP, you can pay for each line item in PO or on total value, on total PO value. That means it is applied for all the line items in PO. Either we can pay at each item level the advance payment, or we can pay overall the overall purchase order at header level. Okay, that means we can find the value or percentage in PO header level or in PO item level. If you are selected header level, then it is applied complete all the lines. Applied for complete order line order all the line items. You are selected only few items level, and it is there only apply for only selected items. Let's see how to do in SAP. Create purchase order. So I'm entering that vendor, information, purchasing group, company code, and material number, and plan, which plan, and what is the PO quantity, and store location. Now you can see the option here in the condition sorry, in the invoice tab, there is a down payment category. Mandatory down payment, no down payment, voluntary. That means, so this PO should have the mandatory down payment. Means you should pay down payment for this, or there is no down payment or voluntary. That means if you want, you can pay it. You can pay advance amount. So it's not mandatory. Okay. And the remaining the values are same. So each line item level also you can define the down payment, or you can create a header level. If you select it here, then it is applied for all the line items. Okay. So now let's create that down payment. So it's mandatory down payment. Okay. Enter. Then here you can see that there is an option like down payment percentage or amount. Either amount you can enter, or you can enter the percentage as well. Okay. So I'm just entering the 10% of the value. And when you would like to process this down payment, so let's say I would like to pay today. Okay. And the remaining is same. And you can see that the down payment value is 10%. So out of 50,000, 5,000 is the my down payment amount, the 10% of the amount. Okay. Click on check and post. So the purchase order is created. This is the purchase order I created. So the next step is, so PO creation is completed. In PO creation, how to select down payment first. Down payment. So the transaction code, this is MV21, right? The next we go to MV2DP. So here we need to select your purchase order. Then you need to request for payment, down payment request. So what you need to understand, this option, the down payment option, which is available from, which is 6.0. Okay, before that we don't have an option like down payment. It is upgraded when it is from 4.7 to 6.0. So this option, if you activated the business functionalities, okay, the down payment request will be activated. This option will come. Generally, this option will not there in the old SAP applications. ECC components. Okay. Now let's step 2. So ME2DP. So what is the purchase order number here? Just copy this purchase order number and slash n ME2DP. So enter the purchase order number. Okay. And the down payment categories. Okay, mandatory and something later, and execute this one. So now still it is not requested, down payment not requested. So how to select here, click on the create down payment request, or you can go to here. Okay, you can select the create down payment. So whatever it is okay. Okay, so you can see the purchase document number. Okay. The account is that whatever you want, you can see here. The information will be there always. Now click on this one. Click on the create down payment. Okay. So how much down payment amount do you need to pay? And the taxes. So tax is mandatory generally. So if you enter this tax, you need to enter in the PO level only generally. So tax you can select here and execute. Now I'm just creating the down payment request. Okay. So this it will go to F-47 down payment request. Okay. And you can select that. Okay. which is the down payment transaction, special transaction category. Okay. And what is the amount? 5,000 amount, and save. So you can see that down payment request is created. Okay. Now, if you go to back, you can see here the transaction also FPTP underscore create down payment request creation. Okay, so you can note down that. Okay, FPTP, it will go directly. So you don't need to go manually this one. But for information, I'm just entering here. So down payment request creation. Now go back. So this is completed, right? So the down payment request is completed, right? Now I have to select that down payment. Okay. So here both it will be creation and down payment. Both it will be happening in the same transaction code, down payment. So just select the down payment, enter. Okay. So they already down payment request is there. Okay. So let's select this one and execute. Okay. And sorry, here you need to enter the tax code. So it is you didn't enter in the PO, right? So that's why it is asking here. And select this one. Okay. Now I'm processing my down payment here. Okay. And you can enter the special category. Okay. And the account, bank account is you can enter the bank account, which bank account you want to be direct amount. Okay. And enter. And the amount is 5,000. Okay. So from this bank account to another account, you are paying the amount. Okay. This is F 48. Okay. The transaction mode, it will go for the post and the down payments F 48. So this generally finance team will do. Okay. So now down payment request is completed and down payment also is completed. Okay. So both it is completed and you can see this details in the purchase order. Okay. Let's go to purchase order. So this is the purchase order which is I created. Okay. And go to purchase orders too. So it is created payment request, down payment request, and down payment also it is completed. The payment also is completed. So 5,000 USD currency and 5,000 USD. Okay. After conversion of the euros. Okay. This value. Now you can do GR for this purchase order. So the process. So we already paid a down payment. Okay. Now, how the system will consider the down payment, whatever we paid. Okay. So, do the purchase the goods receipt. I'm okay. So, enter the details, whatever you require, and enter the details. Okay. And we can mention also who will be a goods shipment and unloading point, and if you want to mention that any text you can mention. And click on check post. So the document also posted. The goods receipt document we received the stock. Now, when we are doing invoice verification, okay, when we are receiving the invoice verification, so you already paid some amount, right? So obviously you need to be consider the amount, the down payment amount. So enter. So if you see that here, when you are entered the purchase order, the system displaying that, okay, you have already down payment for this purchase order. Can you consider this for this information? Okay. So actually we received 10,000 and 50,000 amount, but we already paid 5,000, right? So you need to consider that down payment clearing account. Okay. So select this one. Okay. So you have already down payment request. So how much amount you want to consider for this invoice? So let's say I have already paid 5,000 rupees, right? So I can consider 5,000 completely. Okay, you can select how much amount you want to consider. Okay, so the down payment clearing information. So we already considered this one. Now, and to select the data. Okay, and enter the amount. Okay, so now down payment also we consider, and the messages are green. So everything is good. There is a messages are there. So there is a field text is required for this GL account. Okay. So you have to enter the field text here. So there is some partial payments happened. Okay, and you can mention that partial payment also. Okay. The amount, total amount, you can enter here. How much amount you need to pay? So if it is 45,000 and 45,000 you have to enter. Okay, why? Because you already paid 5,000, right? So the amount you have to enter that. Okay, and so when you click on this one and go back, so this is message is completed. Okay, so it is processed now. So 45,000 enters here 10 pieces and 53,000 the remaining amount which I am entering here. So price is too low. Okay. And which we already paid 5,000. Okay, now on simulate and post. So now go to purchase order and go to purchase order history. You can see here whatever we entered the down payment request and the down payment we paid, and the down payment clearance also it is done. So down payment request and down payment clearing also. So that means we are considered this amount in the invoice level. So then invoice, okay, and GR and at invoice receipt level. So this is the concept of down payment.